Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will be looking into how exactly we can integrate Slack with Jenkins. So the use case is whenever the build is triggered on Jenkins, we need to see some kind of notification that it is completed, and we want to see that in Slack itself because many organizations work on Slack rigorously. Slack has a very good integration feature with lots of apps. So we'll be looking to one of them, which is Jenkins. Okay, so basically, we need to install a Jenkins app in Slack instance. You need to have admin access of Slack to do this. So first click on left-hand side. There is an option Add Apps. Here, click on it and search for Jenkins. Okay. So Jenkins CI we have to install. Click on Add. Okay. Click on Add to Slack. I'm already logged into my instance. If you are not logged in, then it will ask you to log in. Now it's asking me where you want to post this update. Okay. If you already have the channel name, you can select it from here. If not, you can create from here. I will be creating a new channel name. Okay. Let's create that. Create a new channel and let me this as playwright hyphen javascript. Okay. I want it to be open channel. Okay. Let's create it. For now, I don't want to select anyone for now. Okay. So what would happen is that app will be installed in your Slack instance, and whatever notifications are created, right, it will be posted to this particular channel name. Okay. Let's add Jenkins CI integration. Okay. So the app is installed. Okay. Now we have to do these steps in Jenkins side. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so the first step is to go to Jenkins, manage Jenkins again on Jenkins side as well. You need admin access to do this integration. So we'll go to manage Jenkins and search for Slack notification or plugin. Okay, manage plugin. Then I will be searching for available options. Here I will type Slack notification. Okay, so select this. Okay, install without restart. Select install without restart. Okay, it will take few seconds to a minute. Okay, depending on your internet connectivity. Okay, and select restart as well. So as soon as the plugin is installed, it will restart the instance, and then we have to make some changes in our job. Let's wait for a few seconds to finish this off. Once the plugin is installed, you can come back again on Manage Jenkins page and then select Plugin Manager. Okay, then click on Installed. Here you will be able to find the Jenkins notification. Okay, so let's go back to the app page where we were given some instructions. Okay, so we have completed step one. Okay, we have completed step two where we had to search the plugin itself. Okay, Now I have to go to manage Jenkins and then configure system. Okay, so let's do that. Click on manage Jenkins, configure system. Scroll down. Okay, so here you have to mention the workspace name. Okay, so what is my workspace name? This is my workspace name. Okay, and you will be getting integration token credential ID. Okay, which you have to keep in secret text file. Okay, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, and add a secret text file. Okay, and then here I have to select secret text. Okay, and I have to mention the secret. Okay, let's say Slack secret, so Slack application secret, add, and from the credential, select Slack notification secret. Okay, then you have to mention the default channel name. Okay, where you want to post the updates, right? So I can mention this channel name which we have here, right? This is the channel which we created, Playwright JavaScript, right? So Playwright JavaScript we have to write here, okay? And then let me test the connection, whether this is working or fine. Okay, success. So this means that Jenkins is able to connect with your Slack interface or Slack app. Okay, when you do a test, it will say Slack Jenkins plugin. You are all set on the host name. Okay, so click on apply. Okay, click on save. Okay, now I have to make some changes in my job so that when we trigger the job, it sends some notification to Slack instance. Okay, so I have my job here. Okay, click on this down arrow. Okay, select configure. Okay, here in configure, select post build action. Okay, and by default, you will not be having this. So under post build action, click on add post build action. Okay, and then select Slack notification. Okay, and from here, you have to select all these options or whatever is your requirement. Okay, notify build start, notify success, notify aborted, notify not build, unstable, regression, every time failure, okay, notify back to normal, okay, and so on. In advance, there are few other settings which you can select and make those changes. So let me apply this change, okay, and then save it, okay. Let me build this, okay. So when we build it, it will do all its action, okay, or whatever steps we have mentioned or whatever the framework is designed for, okay. And then finally, it will post the results. Okay, whether it was successful or not. Okay, let's click on this button. Okay, so number 8 build is triggered. Okay, you can see that on Slack as well. We have one notification, which is this. Okay, playwright JavaScript build number 8 started by user code with MMAK. This is my user. Okay, so let's wait for few seconds here. Okay, once the test is completed, it will post the results or the status in Slack itself. Okay, so still it's going on. We'll take few more seconds. Okay, you can see that build is completed. You can go back to Slack. Okay, and you can see that playwright JavaScript build 8 successful after 1 minute 13 seconds of execution. You can open the build from here directly as well. Okay, you can do many more other settings with Jenkins. Okay, you can write your own custom messages and it will be posted in the Slack. Okay. Okay, this is very simple integration. Thanks for watching this video.